Hey everyone, Kids Film back in another video, and today we'll be making these delicious tacos. You will need a red onion, red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, cilantro, Southwest taco seasoning mix, and of course toppings like an avocado, sour cream, organic mild salsa, Mexican style cheese, and of course taco shells. First you are going to dice a red onion, and then you're going to cut orange, yellow, and red bell peppers. Make sure to space the onions and peppers out so they can evenly be cooked. Add some cilantro to the pan. Normally with tacos you would do turkey meat, but I'm vegetarian, so instead we are choosing to use the Boca veggie crumbles as a meat substitute. The taco seasoning, follow the instructions on the back of the package seen here. Add the taco seasoning to the mix. For the taco shells, follow the instructions on the back of the package seen here. Take the taco shells out of the oven once they are ready. Cut an avocado to use as a topping for the tacos. The mix into the taco shells. Add enough toppings to your liking. More cooking videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you want to see more cooking videos, and if you just genuinely like this video, bye.